Hello everyone and welcome to my channel SNS Study Station. So today we are going to learn numerical problems on this topic, that is payback period. Okay, PB period, payback period. So it is a technique of capital budgeting. I hope you all are clear about capital budgeting. Okay, I have already introduced you about capital budgeting. What is it? What are its features? Why we use it? And its techniques. Okay. So capital budgeting, if I have to give you a recap, so basically it is capital budgeting is basically when you have various investment options, you have money and you have various investment options where you can invest that money. So choosing the best investment option. How we can choose the best investment option from capital, that is what capital budgeting tells us. So there are various methods to find out how we can select the best investment option. First method that we are going to see today is payback period. What is that? Okay, so payback means pay it back. Means when we are going to recover our original investment, the money which we have invested. Okay, if a person has invested 5 lakh rupees somewhere, so this 5 lakh rupees when he is going to recover. I'm not talking about more than that, but maybe he will get 6 lakh, 7 lakh or somewhere nearest to this, or he can get more than 5 lakh after some time. But in how much time, in what duration the person will be able to recover this 5 lakh, that we find out through payback period. Okay, so payback period is the time period required to cover the original cash outlay invested in a project. Original investment that is there in the project, the original amount, how when we are going to recover that. So that is what we'll find out through it. So its formula is, one more thing before the formula, you have to say the acceptance rule. If there should be a payback period, suppose this 5 lakh is there, okay, in any business or in some project, a company has invested 5 lakh. Okay, so a standard will be set like in 2 years, 3 years, this 5 lakh will be recovered, or they will set us some standard. So if your payback period, if through your calculation, if actually you can recover this amount, you can recover this amount in the time period which is set by the management, standard time period, that is fine. If you are taking less than this time, that is also perfect. That project should be accepted. But if you are making more than that time, suppose it is an assumption has made that this 5 lakh can be recovered in the next 2 years. Today we are investing this 5 lakh and it can be recovered in the next 2 years. So if your payback period, if your actual payback period, if actually you are going to recover this amount in 2 years or less than 2 years, so that is fine. In that project you can invest. If it is more than 2 years, then you should not invest there. That project should be rejected. Okay. And now, let's say there are more than one option you have, and in let's say you have 2 options. In option A, you are going to recover this 5 lakh in 1.5 years. Okay, and in option B, you are going to recover this 5 lakh in 1 year. So you should always select the shortest payback period. If you have various options where it is giving less payback period than what is said by the management, then you should prefer the shortest one. Okay, now formula is payback period equals initial investment divided by cash CF80 per annum. This is the formula. So CF80 is nothing, it is cash flows after tax. It can be given in the question also directly, or you have to calculate it. So if it will be given in the question, then that's fine. You have to take the initial investment, original investment, and then divide it by CF80 per annum. Okay. But if it is not given, and one more important thing, it is CF80 per annum they are giving. Okay, that means through this formula you can find out when you will have that same cash flows every year. If it is different every year, then how will you take it? So for that, there is a different approach. We'll see it with the problems. So CFAT, the formula is initial investment divided by CFAT per annum. This is the formula. So this is the main formula. Now for CFAT, suppose it is not given in the question, then for that we need to do this. Profit after tax plus depreciation. That we have to do, that calculation we have to do. So today we will see the questions where CFAT will be given directly. Today we will see those questions where CFAT will be given directly. Cash flows after tax will be given. Okay. So after this, in the next video, we'll see those questions also where CFAT is not given directly, where you have to calculate this CFAT also. So today we are going to see direct questions. So let's start with the question. I hope the formula is clear. Just remember this: initial investment divided by CFAT per annum. So we'll start with the first problem. Let's see the problem. A project is an initial investment of rupees 3 lakh. Only two things we need. Okay. It will produce cash flows after tax of rupees 50,000 per annum. They have given for 10 years. Compute the payback period. So only two information we need, and these two are given. Initial investment is given as 3 lakh rupees and cash flows after tax is given as 50,000 per annum. So it is already directly it is given as 50,000 per annum, and it is same for each year. So we got both the things for our formula. Now for payback period, you can easily find out. This question is very simple. Okay, so for payback period, the formula is, again I'm writing the formula, initial investment divided by CFAT per annum. This is the formula. So we have initial investment 3 lakh and we have cash flows after tax, that is 50,000 per annum. Okay, so when you will divide this, what you will get? 5, 6 are 30, 6 years. 6 years is the payback period for this question. I hope it is clear. So this was very simple question. Just we have to see what is the original investment or initial investment that we have to take in the numerator, and in denominator we have to take CFAT per annum. If it is same for each year, then we have to use this formula. With this we'll easily find out CFAT. So this 3 lakh amount can be recovered in 6 years. We are not talking about more than that, but this 3 lakh, what is our original investment, that we can recover in 6 years in this question. Now let's move on to the second question, last question of this today's session. So here the question is, project ZN has an initial investment of rupees 4 lakh. First we'll write out the information. So initial investment is given as rupees 4 lakh. Okay, then cash flows for 5 years are, okay, so cash flows for 5 years are given as this. It is as follows. Determine payback period. Here also two information is given. One is initial investment, other one is cash flows. CFAT is given. But here what is the difference is, CFAT is given for 5 years and it is different in each year. So we cannot apply that formula. Okay, we cannot apply the formula. So what will we be doing here? We will find it out with the help of, first we will note down the CFAT and then we will find out cumulative CFAT. I hope you know how to find out cumulative CFAT. Even if you don't know, there's no problem for that. So okay, how many years are there? 5 years are there. So for 5 years we will note down the values. First year cash flows are 1,20,000. Second year it is 1,50,000. Third year it is 1,10,000. Okay, then 1 lakh, and then last year 80,000. These are the CFAT for 5 years. Now only one column. Here we cannot apply the formula because CFAT is different each year. So whenever CFAT is same each year, then we can use the formula initial investment divided by CFAT per annum. When it is different each year, then we have to use this approach, that is cumulative CFAT we will find out. Cumulative CFAT, it is very easy. Just see the first, through CFAT column only we will find out this cumulative CFAT. So first value we will write it as it is, 1,20,000. Now in this 1,20,000 we will add this amount. So that will be equal to 2,70,000. What we are getting in cumulative CFAT column, just add the next CFAT in that. So 2,70,000 plus 1,10,000 will be 380,000. Then 380 plus 1 lakh will be 480, and then 480 plus 80 will be 560. So here what is the advantage of this? We have to check in what duration we can recover this 4 lakh. We have to check this. So 4 lakh in the cumulative CFAT column, just check it whether you can find this 4 lakh or not. So if you will see here in this fourth year, you can not find 4,80,000. You cannot find 4 lakh, but 4,80,000 is there. And up to third year it is 3,80,000. We are not able to find this exact 4 lakh, but we need to see in what duration we can recover this 4 lakh. So what we'll do, we'll up to 3 years we will take, means up to 3 years it's fine. We are recovering up to 3 years. We can get 3,80,000, but we need 4 lakh. So the difference is 4 lakh minus 380. 4 lakh minus 380 will be 20,000. So we need 20,000 more. Okay, we need this amount more in the fourth year. Up to third year we can recover 3,80,000, but we need 4 lakh. We want to see in what duration we can recover 4 lakh. So 20,000 more is needed. So what we'll do here is, see, in the fourth year we are going to get 1 lakh total, but we need only 20,000. In fourth year we are going to get, up to third year we are taking the whole amount because it is 380,000. It is still less than 4 lakh. So in the fourth year we are going to receive 1 lakh in total. In 12 months we are going to receive 1 lakh, but we need only 20,000. We need only rupees 20,000 in the fourth year that we want to see. So what we'll do here is 12 divided by 1 lakh. In 12 months we are going to recover 1 lakh. Now 20,000. When we are going to recover, just solve this. You will get some number of months. That will be 2 months. 2.4 months it will come. So we have to take it as rounded off value. 2.4 months you will get. So take it as 2 months. So initially 3 years and then this 2 months. So our answer will be 3 years and 2 months. This will be our answer. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. So there is nothing, just you have to see two things are there. Whether cash flows are same each year or it is different each year. If it is same, then you can apply the formula. Initial investment divided by CFAT per annum. Because in the formula itself it is CFAT per annum. That means it is same. It is asking for same CFAT. But if it is different, just go with this cumulative CFAT approach. So here you just need to find the cumulative values of the CFAT. And then just check in the cumulative column whether you are getting that original investment amount or not. So up to third year we are getting 380, but we need only 4 lakh. Not more than that, not less than that. We just need exact 4 lakh. So up to third year, 3 years we will take. And how much more time is required to recover more? 20,000 was there because 4 lakh we required. So in the fourth year we just need 20,000. So for that we have done this calculation. We got 2 months. So our answer is 3 years and 2 months. I hope it is clear. In the next session we'll see if cash flows after tax, if CFAT is not given in the question directly, how we will find it out, and rest all things are same. Okay, so thank you.